Nope, nothing over here. He's doing okay. I mean, I still care about Josue. I wonder if he's doing alright. I don't know. Okay, where's it at? Oh, I was doing this. Okay. I still care about you, Josue, okay? Just because we don't talk doesn't mean I don't care about you. If you're watching my videos. Just wanted to let you know. I hope you're doing okay and life's going good for you. I mean, I'm doing alright, I guess. I mean, there's life, I guess, isn't gonna be better than this at the moment. I mean, I'm 29 now, and I still live with my mom. And it still drives me crazy. And I still don't like living with her. I don't like David either, but, you know, it is what it is, I guess. I wish I could move out of that house. Get either stay with someone or get my own place. I am getting to the age where I don't want to share an apartment with my mom anymore. But yeah, so just wanted to let you know that I still care about you, even though we're not talking anymore. That hasn't changed.